Hey, what's up YouTube? I have a balisong today. This is the Boker Stormtrooper balisong. This is sold by Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's got white G10 handle scales. It has a pocket clip and it has a latch. Now, the steel on this is D2, right? D2 tool steel. And the blade length, you see that? The blade length is 3.5 inches. For a balisong this was only $55, okay? For a balisong that's only $55, it's actually pretty good quality, at least so far. This opening, the blade has to face, the edge should face away from you. Handle to back of hand, spine of the knife to the back of hand. All right, bounce the handle like this, turn the balisong, the spine like that, catch. All right, handle, spine, catch. Handle, spine, catch. Handle, spine, catch. I'm trying to get more people into balisongs because I'm going to be showing more balisongs on the channel. On a balisong, basically, if the handles are too light, they would tend to bounce and it would be hard to catch the handle. Okay, but this one doesn't do that. It's very easy to catch. All right, sorry for any background noise. But this, you see how, you know, this is easy to catch, right? So I like the weight of the handles. I like that it's smooth. Now at $55, this is going to be considered a budget balisong, right? Because balisongs can be quite expensive. So yeah, basically for a budget balisong, I like this one. You know, for a beginner, if you just want your first balisong, I think this would be pretty good. It's smooth. Don't buy a bally that's more advanced than your skill set, right? You can. This would be a nice bally for most people. Most people just like looking to get into the hobby, and also it's styling. I love the Star Wars color scheme. That's pretty cool.